How to set the always on display lock screen to auto show on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on lock screen and AOD. After that, tap on always on display, tap on the left hand side panel. Now scroll down, then tap on when to show. And from here, select auto from the list. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And here, if I go to my lock screen, the phone will choose to automatically show the always on display unless, say, I face down the phone or when I go to sleep. And that's it. So that is how you can set your phone to automatically show the always on display lock screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.